To upload digital products to Gumroad, follow these steps. Sign up or log in. Visit gumroad.com and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Go to the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. From here, you can manage all aspects of your products and sales. Click Add the Product. On the dashboard, click the Products tab and then click Add the Product to create a new product listing. Select the product type. Choose digital product for things like ebooks, music files, PDFs, software, or any other downloadable content. Fill in product information. Enter details such as the product title, description, and pricing. Make sure your description is clear and enticing for potential buyers. Upload your digital files. Click on Add File to upload your digital product. You can upload multiple files if needed. Gumroad supports many file formats like PDF, MP3, zip, and more. Publish your product. After reviewing the product details, click Publish to make it live on your Gumroad store. You will receive a unique product link to share with customers.